Hey guys, Timo the Hobo here. So, I am back at the ocean. Yes! I am right now in Trümmelbachfälle and I'm enjoying here the beach and the sunset. Sun's almost down, but it still looks really great. Although I'm here in France now at the ocean, I still have one story to tell from Switzerland. And it is the trip with my family to Lauterbrunnen. It was a great trip and it was a lot of fun. Unfortunately, the weather was really not good. But yeah, we had a good time. We went to the indoor waterfalls, the Trümmelbachfälle, and there it doesn't matter what bad weather it is cool anyways. And we even had a short period of time where it was good enough weather to do a hike. So we hiked up a little bit the mountains and enjoyed the view out of a really nice village in the mountains. Our house was really cool. It was a little bit away from everything else and I could make a drone shot of it that looks super cool. Yeah, I think you have to judge for yourself how it looks. There we go. It was really nice spending a cool weekend with my family like that. I think it's the first time since pretty long time. And yeah, it was really cool to be all together again. And I hope it will happen again one time. Actually, I'm sure it will happen again. So yeah, next time you will see how I ended up here in France in Trümmelbachfälle. And I will show what I did the past few weeks. So yeah, tune in next week. Bye guys. Woo! Woo!
No!